Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.